So a while back I did a post for Fat Girls Traveling, the Fat Girls Guide, regarding the products that make traveling way easier for us. On the first day of it being live, the post got more than 600 views. That tells me that people just want to know what products they need to make a trip the most memorable possible. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite products that make traveling more fun, more memorable, and more easy. When you travel, you're spending a lot of time with people on planes who knows what type of strange sicknesses they have. So I always pack Suitcase with me just in case. I don't usually get sick when I travel, but it's better to be prepared and not need it than need it and not have it. Earlier in the year, when I went to the REI garage sale, I snagged a pair of compression socks. These ones are by Sockwell, and they have a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. That's part of the reason why I keep the box for them. But they are a light compression sock, and they actually go up over my wide calves. I have 18-inch calves, guys, and it's so hard to find boots or socks that will go over them, but these compression socks work. I use my Fall Raven Kanken Mini. It has little pins. It keeps all the essentials, and it keeps its size, and it's relatively water resistant due to the material. I love this guy. Every person who travels needs one of these guys. It is a converter, a universal converter that works with any outlet across the world, and this one is really awesome because it actually labels where it's for. So in this back, I don't know if you can see it, but it says Europe on. So I started bringing his tins with me. He goes through about maybe one a month. So we have a lot of them. And I just put little trinkets in there like jewelry. This one has my SD cards and my little converter guide for my laptop because my laptop's a piece of crap. And I just keep little knickknacks in there so they don't get lost and they don't get mixed up with my other things. You can easily keep your wet swim trunks or swimsuit separate from the rest of your clothes in your suitcase. I use this one. It's got cute little watermelons on it, and inside it's lined with this material so that it doesn't soak through, and you can easily keep your wet swimsuit in here while you're traveling around Amalfi Coast, while you're in Hawaii. Between my camera charger, my phone charger, my Fitbit charger, I have so many different cords that get wadded up in my bag. My coworker got me this for Christmas a while back. It is a cord organizer, and they have these awesome slips in here so you can easily just put your cords in them. Shout out to my favorite tropical shirt. I love this guy. Super comfortable. Obviously I need a vacation. Definitely consider investing some of these things. That way for your next trip, you can focus more on the present as opposed to your phone possibly dying in 5%.